Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I wax my eyebrows at home. As you can see, they have gotten pretty hairy. I've been really busy and have not had time to wax them, and I'm waxing them tonight, so I figured I'd go ahead and record a video. Hopefully I can do a good job at showing you all, because I'm going to be in the camera waxing instead of in front of a mirror. But the wax warmer I use is called Starpil. I ordered it online. I've had it for a few years now, and I really like it. I have no issues with it. Right now I am using the blue hard wax beans for sensitive skin. I've tried the pink ones and they work fine too. I just wanted to try the blue ones to see how they work with my skin, and I think I prefer the pink, but I'm going to go ahead and use up all of the blue that I have. The applicator sticks that I use are these Gigi brand ones that I've got from Sally's. They're really thin, skinny. I do have the pre-cleanse and pre-powder and post lotion that came with the Starpil Wax Warmer, because when I ordered it I bought like some sort of bundle, and I don't really use it as often. I just wash my face before waxing just to make sure I have no oils on my skin, and that works just fine doing it that way in my opinion. But I do use this oil to wipe my eyebrows when I am done waxing. I think it helps get rid of any wax that is stuck on my skin. And I cannot remember where I bought this oil from. Heating up the wax, I put it on 95, and I'll keep the tin about 1/4 full, and it heats up in about 20 minutes, and then I'll turn it down to 85 for about 5 to 10 minutes to let that cool down some before using it on my brows. If you notice that the wax is not really pulling the hairs off of your skin, maybe turn the heat up some. I think it'll help if it is hotter. First, I'm going to show you with a clean stick how I start off. I usually begin at this corner, and I will just wipe along the edge of my eyebrow. I will follow the shape of my eyebrow. And then right there at my arch, I will angle it down and then go downwards. Once I get that clean, sharp line, then I will move the wax further down and get any hairs that I've missed. And then I will do the top. I will do the same thing. Start at this corner. And then once you get to that arch, I'll angle it. And with this wax, I really like it because you do not need strips. It'll dry and you can pull the wax off without strips. And then I'll do the middle last. I really don't get unibrow, but I still get the middle anyways for some peach fuzz. And the same with the mustache area. I get a lot of peach fuzz. I usually do use my Finishing Touch Flawless facial hair remover. So if you haven't watched that video already, go ahead and check it out. I show you how I get rid of the peach fuzz on my face. So right now it is at a good temperature, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. This takes about 5 seconds to dry down, and then you can pull off. It helps to hold your skin down. Okay, I am done waxing my brows and my mustache, and you can see it does get a little bit messy, but it's not that bad, and I am a bit red. It won't last for long. It does have a little bit of a sting, but that pain does not last for long either. So my tips to you, if you are waxing your brows at home, just keep in mind how much wax you have on your applicator stick, because once you press down on your skin, it's going to spread. So just keep in mind how far it will spread and if it will get on your brows and mess up your shape. Just take your time. If you have a hair that you are just not able to get, I would go in with a tweezer and try and pluck the few hairs instead of risking ruining the shape of your brows. Also, do not go over and over and over again with the wax on the same area, because you can burn your skin and it will leave a scar for a few days. So I try not to do the same area no more than 3 times. So I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and wipe my skin with that oil. And there you go. This is how I wax my brows at home. And I also just ordered this off of Amazon. It's an eyebrow tinting kit. I've got my brows tinted about 3 times before, and they cost about $20, but they only last about 4 days for me, I guess because I have combination skin and my brow area does get oily, so that's probably why it doesn't last as long for me. And that kit was about 20 bucks on no, that kit was about $20 on Amazon, so I think I can get more than one use for $20. I will record another video on using that to see how it works tinting my brows. So if you're interested, go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified when that video uploads. I really hope this video was useful to you. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.